This is the Titan Series electronic safe lock from Sargent & Greenleaf. On the left is the PivotBolt model. It's fully automatic. On the right is the D.Drive model, which requires turning of the keypad to manually retract the lock bolt after the code is entered. To extend the bolt, the keypad is turned back to its original position. The locks operate slightly differently, but from a programming perspective, they are identical. I've purposely installed a weak battery into this Titan PivotBolt lock so that you can hear what a low battery signal sounds like. I enter a normal operating code. In this case, the factory default 1234556#. Notice that the lock operates, but there is an extra series of beeps. This is an indication that the battery is becoming weak. When the battery in a Titan lock is so low that it cannot operate the mechanism, whenever a code is entered, followed by pound, the lock beeps 20 times rapidly but does not operate. That's a positive indication that the battery must be replaced before the lock can be made operable. Here's the procedure for changing a battery in a single battery keypad attached to a Titan lock. At the bottom of the keypad, you'll feel a raised lip on a plastic battery drawer. Pull that lip towards you slightly and then pull downward. And here's the drawer containing the battery. You simply pull the battery out, take a new battery, put it into the box. You'll notice that the openings in the top are sized so the battery can only go in one way. Now I take the battery box, slide it into the opening in the bottom of the keypad. You'll feel it seat into place. Check your code. Make sure that your lock is operating correctly. And that's how simple it is to change batteries in a one battery keypad. Here's the procedure for changing the battery in a D.Drive keypad. Note at the top there's a plastic tab. Pull the plastic tab towards you. This will allow you to rotate the keypad a few degrees counterclockwise, and then it will pull slightly away from the front of the safe, revealing at the top a snap connector attached to a 9-volt battery. You pull this out slightly, unsnap the battery, place a new one into the connector, and then place the whole assembly back inside the battery compartment. Press the keypad ring against the front of the safe, turn it a few degrees clockwise. The plastic knob will snap into position, and that's how simple it is to change the battery on the D.Drive keypad. Check your code to make sure everything is operating correctly. Our default code is 1234556#. We see that everything is operating just as it should.